Guys, so if your Apple Watch is not unlocking your Mac, then here are the fixes. The very first fix you can try is just turn off the Bluetooth in both the devices for at least 1 minute and then turn it on back again after 1 minute and see if it works or not. Just go to this gear shift icon, okay, and go to the setting home page and then go to Bluetooth and just turn it off and wait for 1 minute. Turn it off on your MacBook also and then turn the Bluetooth on for both the devices. If this does not work, many people are saying that changing the login password for the Mac also fixes it. So try changing the unlock password for Mac and avoid special characters like asterisk or question mark and see if it works or not. Now, if this does not work, let's move to the third and final fix, which surely work for you. Now, what you have to do, you have to just search keychain access. Click on keychain access. And now what you have to do, you have to just go to view from the top menu bar and click on show invisible items. And now search auto unlock without any space. Okay, just search it and all the 4 files, just select them and delete from the delete button from your keyboard. As you can see that once you delete, it automatically gets created. So no issues, fresh files are being created. Now same thing you have to do after having a space after auto and unlock. Okay, just put a space, search it, and then just Command A to select all. Just right click and delete 18 items. Okay, and it will be deleted. Okay. Now, once you have done these two things, the next thing is open Finder. Click on Go and click on Go to Folder. And what you have to do, you have to go to and then just Library, Sharing, and Auto Unlock. Okay, you have to go to this folder. Now click on it. You'll find these 2 files. Delete them also. Just move to trash. Now open System Settings and go to Touch ID and Passcode. And then scroll down and find this Apple Watch. Turn it on. Enter your passcode and then try again and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.